Good morning. First of all, welcome of all of you in this video lecture series of 11th Economics. Before starting this lecture, I just revised what we studied in previous videos. We studied introductory part of the third topic of 11th Economics, that is partition value, theoretical base of the topic. Next, we start the part of calculation, that is calculation of quartiles as per individual series, as per discrete series, and as per continuous series. So the next partitioning value, that is deciles. So deciles divides the data into 10 equal parts. Deciles divides the data into 10 equal parts. There must be nine points. There must be 9 points which will divide the arranged numerical data or series in such a way that each part contains an equal number of items. The value of these 9 points, are called deciles. Deciles are denoted by D1 for first decile, D2 for second decile, D3 for third decile, up to D9. There are 9 deciles in a distribution. Which divides the whole data into 10 equal parts, but there are 9 deciles. The fifth decile is known as median. While calculating these values in individual and discrete series, we add 0, 1 to n, that is total numbers, for calculating D1 to D9. We use the following formulas for calculation of deciles under individual and discrete series. Okay, so the formulas for calculation of decile, that is first decile, D1 is equal to first into n plus 1 upon 10th bracket complete item. Second decile D2 is equal to 2 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10th item. Third decile D3 3 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10th bracket complete item, up to 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th decile in case of individual and discrete series. Why we divide here by 10? Because deciles divides data into 10 equal parts. Deciles divides data into 10 equal parts. Okay, so these are the formulas for calculating deciles from D1 to D9 for individual and for discrete series. Next part, that is formula for calculation of deciles under continuous series, or when grouped data is given. Continuous series or when grouped data is given. Okay, so D1 these points indicates for, or these points, that is J, indicates for writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for 9 deciles. So for calculating deciles under continuous series, the formula is, if we take into consideration the calculation of formula for D2 deciles, so here in place of J we write 2, here we also write 2, 2n upon 10, 2n upon 10 minus Cf upon F into H, 2n upon 10 minus Cf upon F into H. For D3, D3 is equal to 3n upon 10, 3n upon 10 minus Cf into F bracket complete into H. For D6, here we write 6, here again 6n upon 10 minus Cf upon F into H. So these are the formulas for calculation of deciles under continuous series, or when grouped data is given, or when classes is given. So here D for deciles, L for lower limit of the decile class, L for lower limit of the decile class, F for frequency of decile class, Cf for cumulative frequency of the class preceding decile class, H upper limit of the class minus lower limit of the decile class. Okay, so these are the formulas for calculation of deciles under individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So let us start calculation of deciles under individual series. Under individual series, calculate D4 and D8 for the following data. Okay, the numerical data such as 10, 15, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 11 and 9. So first step, that is arrange the data as per ascending order. Arrange the data as per ascending order. arrange the data as per ascending order. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next step, find out n. Next step, find out the value of n. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. Next step, write down the formula for D4. Write down the formula for D4. So D4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10th bracket complete observation or item. So D4 is equal to size of 4 into bracket 9 plus 1, because our n is 9. N is, here we find out the value of n is 9. The value of n is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 10th observation. Next, D4 is equal to size of 4 into 10 upon 10, that is 1. That is this step, 10 upon 10. The answer is 1. That is 4 into 1. That is size of 4th observation. Size of 4th observation. So D4. So how to find out size of 4th observation? The 4th observation we taken from the data which we arranged as per ascending order. जो डाटा आपण असेंडिंग ऑर्डरनं अरेंज केलेला आहे, त्या असेंडिंग ऑर्डरनं अरेंज केलेल्या डाटानुसार आपण D4 कॅल्क्युलेट करणार. सो D4, 4th ऑब्झर्वेशन, फर्स्ट ऑब्झर्वेशन, सेकंड ऑब्झर्वेशन, थर्ड ऑब्झर्वेशन अँड फोर्थ ऑब्झर्वेशन. D4 is equal to 10. 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 Okay, next calculation of D8. Calculation of D8. Calculation of D8. D8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket n plus 1 upon 10 bracket complete observation. Next steps, that is D8 is equal to size of 8 into bracket 9 plus 1 upon 10 bracket complete observation. So D8 is equal to 8 into 10 upon 10th observation. So D8 is equal to size of 8 into 1. 8 into 1th observation. So D8 is equal to size of 8th observation. Size of 8th observation. So how we find out the eighth observation? We find out, or we taken the eighth observation from the data which we already arranged as per ascending order. So D8 is equal to, this is our data which we arranged by ascending order. So eighth observation, first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So our answer is 14. D8 is equal to 14. D8 is equal to here 14. That is D8 is equal to 14. D8 is equal to 14. Okay, next example which have one adjustment as we discussed in second or third video regarding adjustment of while calculating the quartiles. So calculate D8 for the given data. So the first step, arrange the data as per ascending order. Arrange the data as per ascending order. Okay, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is, we arrange the data as per ascending order. Next step, to find out the value of n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The value of n is equal to 10. The value of n is equal to 10. And we find out the value of 8th decile. We are calculating decile 8. So D8 is equal to, D8 is equal to size of 8 into n plus 1 upon 10 bracket complete observation. That is this step. That is formula. Write down the formula. Next step, put up the values in the formula. That is size of 8 into 10 plus 1 upon 10th observation. Next, D8 is equal to size of 8 into 11 upon 10 observation. 11 upon 10 observation. So D8 is equal to size of 8 into 1.1 observation. So the size of 1.1 into 8 or 8 into 1.1, the answer is 8.8th observation. So here is the difficulty, how to find out the observation or correct answer. So for that purpose we have to make certain adjustment. So these adjustments such as D8 is equal to size of 8th observation plus 0.8 into 9th observation minus 8th observation. Same adjustment we already done while calculating quartiles. The adjustment is same, okay, but the value is different. 8.8, so 8th observation plus 0.8, means 8.8 into ninth observation minus 8th observation. So 8th observation is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth observation is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, the observation for the calculation purpose, we have to take from the data which we already arranged from ascending order. जो ascending order अरेंज केलेला डाटा आहे त्यामधूनच हे ऑब्झर्वेशन्स घ्यायचे आहेत किंवा जो 8th ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे ते घ्यायचं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवन्थ अँड 8th, that is 18 plus 0.8 minus 9th observation, 8th observation plus 0.8 into 9th observation, that is 19, minus 8th observation, that is 18. So 18 plus 0.8 into 19 minus 18. So 19 minus 18, that is 1, and 0.8 into 1, that is 0.8, and 18 plus 0.8, that is 18.8. That is our answer, that is D8. 18.8, that is our answer. 18.8, that is our answer. 18.8, that is our answer, that is D8.